Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to activate Shopee S loan and apply for a pass loan. So a quick details guys, kung ano ba yung tinatawag na Shopee S loan para sa mga bago is a financial service that provides cash loans to eligible Shopee user. Its loan offers competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms. So, the loans can be used for purchases, pwedeng pambili, sending money, pwedeng ipadala, or withdrawing via bank transfer or e-wallets. So, stay tuned ka lang mga kaibigan para malaman ang buong procedure nito at start na natin. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Shopee applications at kailangan nakalagin ka. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa ating Shopee profile homepage, so makikita mo dito yung ating profile and dito lang sa My Wallet. And then next step ay makikita mo dito yung financial services. And then kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung S loan. So itap mo lang yan. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So, pwede na natin itong i-activate. So, kung paano ba natin ito i-activate? So, makikita mo kaagad dito yung activate now. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, your verification code is sent to my SMS. So, nandito na kaagad yung 6-digit code mga kaibigan na OTP na nasend dito sa ating mobile number na nakaregister dito sa ating Shopee account. So, i-click mo lang dito yung next. And then number 1, activations. So ID verifications. Okay? So please ensure that the ID card details displayed here is the same as the persons applying for this product. And then dito sa ID type, so gagamitin natin dito yung passport and then dito yung ating ID number, yung passport natin. So nakalagay na dito mga kaibigan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung confirm. Ayan. So, ang pangalawa, activations, additional informations. So, kailangan mo lang i-double check yung personal informations mo. Ito yung gender natin, nationality, date of birth, yung place of birth, yung civil status. So, click mo lang yan. And then, select lang natin dito and click done. And then, level of education. So, fill out lang natin yan. And next step, so employment. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito yung ating details. Yung monthly income range, source of funds, secondary ID optional. Optional lang yung secondary ID. And then yung address, yung current address natin, nandito siya. So, pwede mong enable to as use current address as permanent address. So, enable mo lang siya. And then yung secondary contact, nandito lahat yung details mga kaibigan. And next step, so makikita mo dito yung dalawang box na I agree to allow S-Loan to process my personal data. So, check mo lang yan. And then by activating S-Loan, so i-click mo lang din to. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung confirm. And then please double check your personal informations is correct before confirmations. So make sure na tama lahat yung details na nilagay natin dito mga kaibigan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung confirm. And ang next step, yung facial verification. So dito naman sa facial verifications, dapat ay hindi wala tayong eyeglass. So yung background natin ay clear mga kaibigan para ma-approve ka agad. And then next step, ay click mo lang dito yung start facial verification and verification process. Please don't leave with need 5 seconds to verify. Verifications and process. So wait lang natin. And then application is under review. So your applications will be reviewed within 1 working day. So hintayin natin na ma-approve tayo and then i-update ko kayo mga kaibigan. So guys, ito na yung update. So after 8 hours ay na-approve na rin ang activation ng Shopee S-Loan. So naka-receive tayo ng notifications from Shopee. So open lang natin yan. And then congratulations, your S-Loan account has been activated. Alright, so para ma-confirm natin yan and then open lang natin ang ating Shopee applications and then tap lang natin yan. And then makikita mo na dito na congrats, you've successfully activated your S-Loans. your credit limit is up to 3,750 lang muna yung ating credit limit kasi bago lang tayo nag-activate. You can proceed to withdraw your loan now. Alright, so makikita nyo na dito na mayroon na tayong available na credit dito at pwede na natin itong gamitin. Okay, so ganun lang po talaga kasimple on how to activate Shopee is loan and apply for a pass loan. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.